Hello guys, so today we're gonna make a crochet cable organizer. So for this, firstly we will take the yarn and we will make a magic ring. Then after making magic ring, we will make 6 single crochet into this magic ring. So insert your hook into the magic ring, pull up a yarn and pull through the loops. This is your first single crochet. You can mark this with a stitch marker as well. Then we will make 2, 3, 6. So we have made 6 single crochet. You can count backwards from this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Then we'll just pull up the yarn to close the magic ring. Now we will insert in the first stitch right here. This is our slip stitch. Now pull up a yarn. Okay, then we will do next row. So for that we will make an increase. We will make in each of the stitch we will make increase. We will make 2 single crochet in one. We will insert our hook here, pull up a yarn. This is our first crochet. Then we'll do again. This is our second. Then we will do in each of these 2 here, and then in the very first this we will make a slip stitch. We will do a slip stitch. Okay, then pull up a yarn. Then for the third row, insert your hook in this one right here, pull up a yarn and pull through both. Then in the next stitch we will make an increase. That's 1 and that's 2. Then again 1 single crochet. Then in this we will make 2 single crochet. Now for the fourth row, we have completed up to row 3. Then for the fourth row again we will make 2 single crochet, then we will make 1 increase, then again 2 single crochet, then 1 increase, like this. Okay, firstly 1 single crochet, then second single crochet, and then we will make 1 increase. Then again we will make 1 single crochet in next 2 stitches. Then in the third one we will make an increase. So in the first one we will make 1 single crochet, then another 2, and then we will make 1 increase, 1, 2. So you have to continue this pattern till you reach this, and there should be a total of 24 stitches in this row. So we have completed the row 4. I forgot to tell you one thing, that after making slip stitch we have to chain 1, then we will start the row. Okay, so I'm sorry for that. So after you do a slip stitch, make a chain 1. Change the yarn from here. So do not do a chain 1 with this one, just hold this and then we will change the yarn. Slip knot here. Before joining it we will make a slip knot. Like this. Then we will just firstly insert it here, then here, and we will pull the yarn here like this. Pull the white yarn also, and now we will make chain 1. Okay, now we will firstly we will hide the tails here like this. So now for the row 5 we will make 3 single crochet and then 1 increase. For example, like here we have this one. First here, insert, pull up a yarn. This is our first. Okay, we will take this yarn along with it. Okay, so then in the next one we will make a single crochet, then in the next also we will make a single crochet here, so after making 3 single crochet you can count as well 1 2 3. This is not to be counted. Okay, 1 2 3. Then we will make an increase here. We'll just take this tail along with this. We will make 2 single crochet here, means we will make an increase. Insert your hook back in this only and pull like this. Then again we will make 3 single crochet, 1 2 and 3. Then in the next we will make an increase, 1 2. Then repeat the process until you get here and then make a slip stitch. I made this also. This is your row 5. Okay, now we will cut the yarn. We will cut the white yarn. We will leave a tail here and we will sew it. Okay, so then after this we will make row 6. For row 6 we will make 4 single crochet, 1 increase, 4 single crochet, 1 increase. Then we will make row 7, 5 single crochet, 1 increase. So I will meet you after making row 7. So I have made row 7. Now we have to just cut the yarn. Now we will make a bow stitch. So we will make chain 1 and fasten off तो मैंने पहले ही कर दिया, वैसे आप बाद में करना. Okay, so now we will make bow. For the bow again we will make a magic ring. Firstly we will make a magic ring right here. Then we will make 2 chains, 1 2, and now we will make 2 double crochet in the magic ring. So we'll make 2 double crochet, 1 2. Then after making 2 double crochet we will make chain 2, 1 2, and then we will do slip stitch in the magic ring like this. So after making this we will again make 2 chains, 1 2, and then we will make 2 double crochet into the magic ring, 1 and 2, and then we will chain 2 and we will make a slip stitch in the magic ring. We will do a slip stitch in the magic ring. After making slip stitch firstly we will pull up the yarn like this and chain 1, cut off the yarn. Okay, this is your bow. We will attach this bow here. You can just paste it with the glue or you can do with the thread, but I will suggest you firstly do with the thread and then sew it, because like this it will be more secured. Okay, so we will make ears. So for ears we will leave 8 stitches here. So I'll make here, and then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and then next ear here. We will leave 8 stitches in between, so I will make here. Okay, for this also we will need this yarn. Okay, then we will just attach this yarn here like this, and then we will chain 2 1 2, then we will make 3 double crochet in the next stitches. So here firstly 1, then 2, and 3, then again chain 2, then in the same stitch we will make a slip stitch right here. This is your first ear. Then we will do 8 slip stitches from here to here. Okay, this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Then after making 7 slip stitches from here to here, we will make the next ear. So for that we will chain 2 1 2, then in the next stitch we will make 3 double crochet, 1 2 3, and then make 2 chains, 1 2, then in this only we will make a slip stitch, and then chain 1. So we will hide it and then cut off the yarn. Here's your ears. Okay, then we will hide the tail here, and we will attach the bow here. So you just glue it up here, and now we will hide these tails behind this. Okay guys, so I have made the nose and the eyes. You can obviously paste the fake eyes over here, but I'm not currently having them, so I made them with the this wool only. So yeah, now just what you have to do is you have to attach the buttons here, and then just it's done. It is going to be look like this. And also with this what you say, a candle or a lighter, you just burn these things to make it more cute and clearer. Okay, thank you so much.